Hello, my dear viewers. Ever wondered about the hidden truths behind the products you use every day? You know, the ones we take for granted, like, we just assume they've always been there. Today we're diving into the surprising origins and secrets of some of your favorite items. We're talking about the nitty-gritty, the behind-the-scenes, the stuff they don't teach you in school. We'll uncover the unlikely inventors, the accidental discoveries, and the historical quirks that have shaped the everyday objects we use. Get ready to have your mind blown. Let's start with toothpaste. Seems simple enough, right? A paste for your teeth. But did you know that ancient civilizations used crushed bones and oyster shells to clean their teeth? Can you imagine the feeling of ground-up bone fragments against your gums? Yikes. Thankfully, we've come a long way since then. Early toothpaste recipes were concoctions of chalk, salt, and even charcoal. It wasn't exactly minty fresh. Modern toothpaste, with its fluoride and flavorings, is practically a luxury compared to what our ancestors used. Next time you're brushing your teeth, take a moment to appreciate the centuries of innovation that went into that little tube of paste. From crushed bones to smooth, minty freshness, it's quite a journey. Next up, smartphones. These pocket-sized supercomputers have become extensions of ourselves, but their origins were far humbler. Remember that iconic scene in those old movies? A guy with a phone the size of a brick? That was the cutting edge in 1973 when the first mobile phone call was made. Can you imagine the reaction if someone whipped out one of those bad boys today? It's mind-boggling how quickly technology evolves. From those clunky early models to the sleek, powerful devices we have today, the evolution of smartphones is truly fascinating. And it's not just about making calls anymore, is it? We've got the entire world at our fingertips, all thanks to these amazing little devices. Now let's talk about food. We all love a good meal, but many common food products have surprising origins and hidden ingredients. Take Worcestershire sauce, for example. That pungent, savory sauce we love to splash on our food. It's got a secret ingredient: fermented anchovies. Yeah, you heard me right. Fish sauce. Don't worry, it doesn't taste fishy at all. In fact, the fermentation process gives Worcestershire sauce its unique umami flavor. It's a testament to the ingenuity of cooks throughout history, figuring out how to make food taste even better. So next time you're enjoying a meal, take a closer look at the ingredients. You might be surprised at what you find. The wristwatch, a timeless classic, has a history as intricate as the gears inside. Now, when you picture a pocket watch, you probably think of some distinguished gentleman from a bygone era, right? Well, believe it or not, wristwatches were originally designed for women. It was a fashion accessory, a delicate piece of jewelry. But then came World War I. Soldiers in the trenches needed a practical way to keep time, and fumbling for a pocket watch in the heat of battle just wouldn't cut it. Enter the wristwatch. Its practicality and functionality on the battlefield solidified its place as a men's accessory. It's funny how something as simple as a timepiece can go through such a dramatic shift in perception, all thanks to a little thing called war. Finally, let's talk about car keys. Those little metal teeth that unlock our vehicles are packed with more technology than meets the eye. Remember when you actually had to use the key to unlock your car? No more. Modern car keys are practically miniature computers with remote start, keyless entry, and even panic buttons. It's amazing how something we use every day can go through such a rapid evolution. From simple metal keys to sophisticated electronic devices, car keys have come a long way. And it's not just about convenience either. These high-tech keys offer improved security features that help keep our cars safe from theft. So next time you're hitting that unlock button from across the parking lot, take a moment to appreciate the ingenuity packed into that little fob. There you have it, the hidden truths behind some of your favorite everyday products. From crushed bones in toothpaste to fermented anchovies in your Worcestershire sauce, we've uncovered the fascinating and sometimes bizarre origins of these everyday items. Which one surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And while you're there, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more mind-blowing explorations into the world around us. Keep those brains buzzing because there's always more to discover.